inevitable, and I can't wait to finally explode. The big, big thing, the reason I'm alive, when all the stars collide in this universe in time. And the big, big bang, hit the big, big, big bang, one day.
Something's in the air in Dillydale today. Everybody is sneezing. Or they have an uncontrollable case of the hiccups. To some Mr. Men and little misses, a sneeze or a hiccup can be a funny thing. But to Mr. Nervous, it's a cause for alarm. For you see, sometimes a sneeze...
It's gone!
Hi, Ollie!
Hi, Ben.
What's wrong?
I'll be sad forever.
Cheer up, Holly. I will find your wand.
How?
Come on, don't get upset.
I'm not upset. I'm just imagining a world without my best friend in it.
Sheldon.
It's okay.
I'm not leaving your world. I'm just talking about living across the hall.
I understand. Either way, I want you to know that I'm aware of how difficult I can be. So I just want to say thank you for putting up with me.
Buddy.
What are you guys getting a lot? What? Why are there tears?
Everything's fine. We just started talking about living arrangements.
Are you crazy? You know he's a flight risk.
It's exactly what I told him.
Sheldon, we know this is a sensitive subject, and Leonard's not going to move out until you're ready.
Well, what if you did it gradually?
All right. How about we start with 2 nights a week? I live with Penny.
How about one night and I let you whistle?
Okay.
When I'm not home.
You got it.
There we go. Compromising again. We really are the best.
And so, you see, sneezes and hiccups are nothing to be afraid of. Unless, of course, you're Mr. Nervous. So the next time you sneeze, be sure to cover your mouth and wash your hands. And if you get a case of the hiccups and want to get rid of them, think of something really scary. Oh dear. Thank you, Miss Scary. I couldn't have done it without you.